What up? Please shout out the Drunk Daddies podcast on YouTube, the most based up and coming podcast. Hell freaking yes. Thank you for the $6.66 donation. I released a couple of new shirts on my customized girl. One of them is a brand new Welcome to Wyoming shirt. Says, Welcome to Wyoming. We got 2 seasons. Construction and snow. And it features a construction type tractor and some snowflake. It's funny as shit. I also got one that supports killing pedophiles with a chainsaw. So, like, if that's your shtick, like, it literally says Chomo Chainsaw Massacre on the front. And then on the back, it's got a skull doing this, and it says fuck sickos. Fucking beautiful. Shout out to my bro Tiny. He introduced me to you he is an OG fan from Harrison. Hell yeah, thanks brah. $350, holla, that's what's up. Thank you for the $3.50, bitchin'. And thank you to Spider Lifestyle Strategies Inc. I got $106. Looks like someone made a big purchase to Tactical Soap. That's what's up. Link below. Zach, thank you for the $20 donation, brother. That's what's up. You sent me some stuff to do a cooking video. We might be able to arrange that. Now, I will be going on vacation on the 4th of July, but I'll be back. Anyways, you want to shout out on the PayPal, donate to the PayPal. If you want to buy a t-shirt, check out my customizedgirl.com. I currently have how many designs? Oh, snap, 150 designs. That's a lot of stuff. It keeps the merchandise fresh. And the new shirt fucking kicks ass. I like how I designed that. I got a bunch of cool new shirts. Some of them are really funny, and then some of them are just fucking badass. Like this one right here, yes. The Chomo Chainsaw Massacre shirt, that is just cherry, dude. On the back it says fuck sickos. That's just a fucking badass shirt. Anyways, YouTube, if you'd like to buy a shirt, I'll put a link in the comments. Fuck Chomos, fuck sickos, and fuck the trolls. That's most definitely what's up. And I appreciate your support. Cheers.